Good morning guys, and in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20S, and let me show you how to add photo contact on this device. So at first open your phone dealer, then you need to go to contacts, right here, choose the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, and tap on info. Now select camera icon in the middle of the screen, and select gallery if you wish to apply something from your gallery, or camera if you want to grab a picture right now. But let me choose gallery. Now select the picture that you want to apply, and now wakey. Okay, so now it worked. As only you open the picture, and it should be at first try, you will be able to crop it however you like. Then click on done, and then select save. And that's it, that will be all. From now on the picture is assigned to your contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.